All right, you guys, so we have one of our favorite products that's on the channel right here. This is a bird feeder with a camera, 4K, 8 megapixels. You can connect this to 2.4 or 5G network. Nice camera, right? There you go. Solar panel, camera, so they give you a nice template and it matches. Take out the plastic, mount bracket right here. USB type C to USB screwdriver, in which we will probably use a drill gun. Another bracket right here, and then you have a strap just in case you want to strap it onto a tree. All right, so let's go ahead and put this thing together. Decent size, not too big. So you have 1.5 liters of seeds that you can put in here. So that's easy. What you do is you put this onto your wood. Forks right here. Usually if you have like apples or oranges and you want to feed Orioles, you can do that by putting this like that. And then go ahead and put your orange in. Okay. That's if you feed Orioles and stuff. They give you a screw. Put your screw right here. Screw it down. All right, you guys, so they gave you an extra screw. They have a lock right here, which is nice. So that way if the squirrels come, it is not easy for them to open it from the top. This is not squirrel proof as far as this area goes. When a squirrel comes, you can just yell at them through the camera. They will jump, you guys. All right. So open it up, put your seeds in, and have fun. Camera is protected. Take that off. SIM card right here, which gives you 32 gigabytes. So they give you a 32 gigabyte SIM card, but it says it does up to 128 capacity. So that is that. That's how you charge it up. USB type C. So we move that to the side and then you could put it in. Grab our solar panel, plug off, going straight through. Just like that, you guys. Now when you've done that, your plug has a little gap in it. So you could put this through the gap and plug it back in, just like that. Top part right here, it snaps into the top. Seems like 6 foot of cable. I will double check up on that. This is to charge the camera up separately. If you don't want to use your solar panel, you could just take the camera off and just, you know, easy pop in and out. Screw right there. You put this on the bottom. You screw this up. If you have a pole, then you can go ahead and put it on a pole and setting it in. There we go. I hit it down. It was in there tight. If you want to, you can mount up your solar panel any way you want to. You got 2 screws right there. You could put it like that and then lay it flat. However, I'll just leave it flat like this. It don't matter to me. All right. And that's it. We are going to check out to see the feeding action. And then we will wrap up the video. I don't have no oranges or anything, so I don't need these on there. All right, everyone. So first things first, I have to say that this camera is supreme. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I didn't think the camera would be this clear, but this is on the level of action camera, Insta360, GoPro, whatever action camera. This is on that level. Usually when these cameras be like 4K, you be like, oh man, this is still low quality. But no, you guys, listen to me. The camera is awesome. I love it. You cannot deny it. You can see the feathers from just like the little specks. Even when the squirrel is on there, when you see the squirrel, you be like, dang, you can see every single thing. As far as the squirrel detection and deflection, so the squirrel detection works very well. It detects all squirrels. It actually detects the birds as well. It detects like the name of the bird. It tells you the name of the bird and all of that stuff. So that's pretty cool. But as far as like the squirrel, I guess, alert or alarm, I didn't get nothing too much out of that. But the good thing is that when you turn the alarm on, it has this hawk sound and it goes off, and I made the squirrel jump, and then the squirrel
haven't came back since because, of course, squirrels and hawks don't get along. So yeah, that's a good feature to have on here as far as the hawk sound goes. I have another feeder that does the same thing, sets out the hawk sound, and that's it. So other than that, you guys, hopefully y'all enjoy this product, enjoy the camera and everything. Have fun feeding the birds and upload it to your friends. Or if you have a bird feeding channel, bird watching channel, then this will definitely be a nice product for you to have. And like I said, the camera is awesome. Can't deny it, and you will love it. And that will be all, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.